To demonstrate how dangerous uneven terrain can be, we took a standard 28-foot extension ladder up to its maximum height to show the effects of uneven ground. When we added a 1/4-inch steel plate under the foot, the top of the ladder shifted about 6 inches. When we put a 1/2-inch steel plate under the foot, the top of the ladder shifted to 10 inches off center. Finally, we put a 1-inch steel plate under the foot. As you can see, the top of the ladder is now leaning approximately 19 inches off center. Many operators do not realize that 1/4 inch of unlevel ground at the bottom of an extension ladder is enough to drastically change the center of gravity, creating a potentially dangerous situation. Overreaching is the leading cause of ladder falls and accidents. We performed a head-to-head test with an ordinary straight extension ladder and a Little Giant SumoStance leveling extension ladder. We attached a metal rod at 15 feet on a standard straight fiberglass extension ladder to show how unstable an ordinary ladder can be when an operator reaches too far to the side. At 6 inches, the ladder held the weight of 75 pounds, but as soon as the weight was moved out to 7 inches, it failed. The foot slipped out since it was no longer supporting any of the ladder weight. The Little Giant SumoStance extension ladder has 2 built-in level indicators. This indicator helps operators find the correct 75.5 degree lean angle, and this indicator helps the operator find a perfectly level footing and vertical setup for maximum side tip stability. We replicated the first test in every detail. We attached the same metal rod at 15 feet on the SumoStance and then added 75 pounds. We quickly progressed from 6 inches to 9 inches to 12 inches and continued on with the ladder feet remaining completely stable. Finally, at 36 inches, we were unable to safely go any further due to the length of the metal rod. You can see that 75 pounds hanging 36 inches from the side of the SumoStance is still not enough to destabilize the feet. This test indicates that Little Giant SumoStance leveling extension ladder is at least 6 times harder to destabilize in this overreach simulation than an ordinary straight extension ladder.